Welcome to DaTo. You often have these three questions in your mind before buying two-post lift. How to prepare floor for two-post lift? How much area we must have to install two-post lift? From where we should buy, so we will get quality, warranty, durability, and affordability in all one place. So watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts. How to prepare floor for two-post lift. Floor width should have 1.5 meter, length 4 meter, and thickness 30 centimeter. After installing the floor, wait for 28 days. How much area required to put the lift at your garage? Space from the walls must be far, minimum 80 centimeter. Leave enough space to comfortably drive the car. And room height should have at least 4 meter. Where to buy? You can visit www.datotech.de. DaTo is the best place to buy, because here you will get quality, warranty, durability, and affordability in all one place. Here you can see many equipments too, so if you require other equipment, then you can explore the other products too. For two-post lift, you can see many options. Suppose I am interested in 4.5 tons, clear floor two-post lift. So I will click on that, so you can see all detail of the lift. Or still you want to know more, then you can chat with our executives directly, or you can directly call on the numbers, as you can see on the screen. Thanks for watching.